Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Godrej Consumer Products. Our analyst retains buy on Godrej Consumer with revised price target of Rs 1340. It posted decent performance in Q3 with decent organic volume growth of 5%, while strong margin expansion boosted the bottom line growth. Adjusted PAT grew by 11%. Couple new product launches, incense stick with 2 times higher efficacy compared to illegal sticks and entered low penetrated liquid detergent category will revive the growth prospect in the long run. Targets volume-led revenue growth in the coming years with relevant product and category strategies. Margin will consistently improve with restructuring of African business, consistent growth in the Indonesia business, and uptick in the volume growth of India. Operating EBITDA and operating cash flow grew by 70% each in 9-month FY24. The stock trades at 49 times FY24 and 42 times FY25 estimated earnings. Next, we have an update on SRF Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on SRF with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,745. The ramp-up of recently commissioned PTFE and aluminum foil facility and SRF's commitment to its medium-term capex plan of Rs 15,000 crore bodes well for growth. Q3 results were weak due to subdued performance of chemical and packaging film segment, but the management indicated that Q4 would be better as it has witnessed significant recovery in specialty chemical. We expect ref gas price to be more rational and see traction in new molecules. Investment in the right areas of specialty chemicals would drive a 11% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26, along with healthy ROE and ROC of 18.9% and 19% respectively. At the current market price, the stock trades at a reasonable valuation of 24 times its FY26 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.